Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. The weather was gloomy and raining. It's not heavy rain, but it's a continuous rain from last night. Everyone, all of three of us slept well. Just woke up late actually, and everyone requested ginger tea. The weather is perfect, so that's what I'm making right now. Sunday, right? Sunday need to have some special. Ginger tea is very good for the throat also. One of the reason we drink once in a while. That too, this is very fresh ginger.
Tea time.
Chai time.
It's so hot that it burns.
It's okay, wait.
Everything is hot. All night, right? It rained. Akala ko laba day today, guys.
Should be happy. Some weekend is raining.
Yeah, but
Other days,
to wash clothes also, so it won't
really
dry.
not giving you trouble while traveling at the moment.
So far. But no clothes. How? So, magpapa-full wash na lang kami, guys. Para yung uniform nila yan. We're thinking to go somewhere today, but we'll see how the weather will be. After so long, Daddy.
We cannot stop. There's a problem once start eating. Careful.
I was expecting that. It's so hot, Daddy, a little.
Deeply.
Like that,
no, don't soak it so much. You are like, putting inside so much. Just dip one time like that.
You will burn your mouth. It's
Yes.
so good, it's so good. I still make dosa.
Yeah.
It seems like we're gonna get full with this bread. What's that, Daddy?
Tea powder.
Oh yeah. Even they said coffee also, Daddy.
Yeah, coffee also, but coffee usually we drink. There's no waste. We don't have. We need to
No,
ask.
we can ask from Starbucks or any cafe. Like last time we asked in Tagum.
Yeah, in Tago.
Starbucks. We
Yes,
asked-
you're right, Nana. Star Black baby. When you go Star Black, we'll ask them.
Yeah.
It's really good, they says. So usually I don't throw this one. Whenever we make tea, at least we have this one and just put it.
Yeah.
Yesterday Ryan was so sad. The
Ah.
stem was actually broken. You know what happened? The leaves gone, but the stem stand again.
That's good.
It's good, really.
Daddy, what are you doing?
Bike is so dirty, Nana. Super dirty. Really not like that, but it's dirty, right?
We're using the bike more frequently now. Look who's here.
I really thought you're gonna go to the piso wash, Daddy.
I actually forgot that
I told
we
him to
had
wash,
this.
the open gate is waiting for me outside.
Literally, I thought you'll go there, Nana, when you ask me, Mommy, we'll go to the car wash. We'll go wash the bike. What? We actually have this already.
I even thought I would, like And my daddy said, "Oh, maybe we should go to a car wash." The bike
Not
is
car
so-
wash,
I
bike
mean,
wash.
Bike wash. Then, so I decided, okay, let's do it. Then, when Daddy came home, I thought he was either getting the money or maybe getting the camera. Then, I was just waiting it, and Daddy called me. Then I looked back, and I saw this one. I was like, I forgot. How come I forgot about this?
Wow. Have the Sunday. Okay.
You have Daddy na. Put soap.
That's right first.
Before, this is just your dream. Always saying you want to do bike wash, car wash.
Now, because now it's like this artificial one.
Artificial. How can it be artificial?
Not like,
That mechanical, that's what I mean.
yeah, not, it's just a mechanical one. Like machines do it for you. Not like you.
Guys, you want me to cook dosa already?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
agad. Kakakain lang ng bread Sobrang sipag this weekend. Nag-ano na naman sila guys. Tatanggal ng mga damo. It's a lot already, right?
Yeah.
That's why it keep raining. So, talagang natubo ang mga damo. But easier to pluck because it's already grown.
I think rain also, right? After rain, always it's easy to plant.
Yeah.
And more soil comes with it. That means you can get properly all of the roots.
Yeah.
Ang liit ng pan namin. Supposed to be ang dosa malaki tapos manipis. Pero wala kaming malaking pan na pwede sa dosa. Kaya okay na to. Ilang araw pa lang ako nag-start ng trabaho guys, pero namimiss ko nang nasa bahay lang. Nung wala akong trabaho, nandito lang sa bahay, parang gusto ko magtrabaho, pumunta dito, pumunta dyan. Pero ngayon, na-appreciate mo na yung tambay-tambay lang sa bahay, tulog, pahinga. Ano naman talaga, di ba? Pero so far, nag-enjoy naman ako sa pagtatrabaho. Kumabit na. Gusto ko yung manipis. Si Daddy Ram kasi gusto niya yung medyo makapal-kapal. Ryan the farmer. Tama na? You like being a farmer? Huh?
Okay, around the
Dosa is ready, guys. Di ba? Sabi ni Daddy Ram, yung gusto niya daw is tatlo. Then kay Ryan, 2. Pero I want to finish everything na lang, Daddy. See? Little left. Manipis lang naman ito. How many?
I want 3, I want 2.
I'm still cooking actually.
Just. And you want sugar, you want
Wait for
sweetening.
a while. Sugar? Sabi ni Daddy Ram, not perfect daw ang kanya.
Chutney, I'm not happy with
How it is?
how it is. Can eat, but the actual taste, my tomato chutney taste is not there.
You wash your hands properly, boy?
Yeah.
Good. Mag-ayos tayo ng mga kung ano-ano dito guys sa kwarto sa baba kasi nagiging tambakan na talaga siya dito kasi mabilis na ilagay yung mga gamit-gamit and hindi na talaga kami nakalabas kanina kasi walang bibilang ulan doon hindi naman siya masyadong malakas pero yun nga yung ulan and nagdrama ako kanina. Naging emotional ang Mommy Verlin Youth for today's video at hindi ko alam na binivideo pala ako ni Daddy Ram habang ako ay nag-emote. Nandun kami sa taas at magkaharap kaming dalawa tapos binivideo na pala niya ako. Kulit talaga. Kasi usually pag may mga ganitong drama sa aming buhay, even though nag-start ako ng vlog, ititigil ko yung vlog at hindi ko i-continue. Kasi wala na ako sa mood. As much as possible, gusto kong i-share yung mga masasayang parte ng ating buhay. Pero minsan, gusto ko rin ipakita sa inyo na may mga ganitong pangyayari din kami, gaya ng normal na pamilya. Kasi guys, kanina, medyo napagsabihan ko si Ryan. Hindi ko naman siya sinigawan or what. Parang normal lang na sinabi ko sa kanya, oh, ganito, ganyan. Then, iba yung reaction niya. Parang naano ko. Sabi ko sa kanya, bakit ganyan ka na ngayon? Parang minsan napapadalas na ang pag-init ng ulo mo, konting sabi ko lang or saway lang ng mama at dad mo sa'yo. Nagagalit ka na kasi may mga ganun na siya ngayon guys. My God. Ano talaga? Nagiging binata na like nung maliit pa siya na takutin mo lang. Manginginig na yan. Pero nag-iiba na talaga siya. He's turning 9 this 27 and talagang kami ni Ram nakikita namin yung changes sa kanya na oh my God, talagang big boy na ang aming baby. Iba na ang reaction niya talaga guys, unlike before. Kaya as much as possible ayaw kong magalit. Tinatry namin na explain na lang sa kanya yung yung mali niya, kung ano yung dapat niya improve, ganun. Kasi the more nahihigpitan mo, the more masasakal. Alam niyo yun. Alam ko na darating ang ganitong panahon kasi lumalaki na ang ating anak, di ba? So, based on experience sa mga pinagagawa ko sa mga magulang ko nung ako'y bata pa, wala ito. Pero, I'm trying to change somehow yung pagpapalaki sa kanya. Pero hindi ganun kadali i-absorb na. Oh, ayan. Lahat ng sakit na binigay mo sa magulang mo, experience pala ngayon. Ay, ganyan talaga guys. Naging ano lang talaga ako. Emotional si Daddy Ram. Pinagsabihan din niya si Ryan na mag-sorry ka na sa mami mo. Tama na yung away nyo kasi supposed to be tayo ay masaya today. Kasi nga, holiday ng mommy at happy-happy lang. Pero it turned out na hindi masyadong magandang araw. Started good, but okay lang yan. Okay na kami. Nakapag-usap na kami. Nakahug na kami sa isa't isa. And we'll try to be better each day. Wala na perfecto anak. Walang perfectong magulang. We're just trying to survive. Diba? A lot of stressful things this past couple of days. Pero kayanin natin ito. Move namin ang cabinets dito guys kasi sa baba na kami most of the time naliligo. And then the other one?
Yeah. Put here.
Dalawa kasi yung banyo namin, di ba guys? Isa sa taas, isa dito sa baba. And ewan ko ba, most of the time, dito talaga kami sa baba naliligo. So, ang ginagawa namin, kumukuha kami ng mga damit sa taas, tapos dinadala dito sa baba, then dito na nagbibihis. So sabi ko kay Daddy Ram, bakit pa natin ito ginagawa? Most of the time, dito tayo nagbibihis sa baba na kwarto. Very useless kung nandun sa taas ang ating mga damit. So, ibaba natin ang cabinet para dito na lang kayo bibihis nga. And mas mabilis talaga siya. So, pagising namin, baba, get ready, alis.
Yeah. It's Christmas.
Kita ba?
I'm Ledo.
Give me Lida.
Hmm?
Bawal. You look weird.
Wait, Daddy. Come here. Mommy, come here.
Where's Arush?
Where's Arush?
Put my face.
Funny face.
Where is Arush?
Ask, where's Arush?
Where is Arush?
Take it out.
Where is Arush? Where is Arush?
He's sleeping.
Oh. Miss you na naman.
Miss you na naman. Ah, how do you put those ones?
Ayan guys, kakatapos lang naming mag-video call ni mother-in-law at saka ni Aruhi. Marami sa inyo ang nagtatanong kung kumusta na siya. Okay lang siya guys. Almost every day, tinatawagan namin siya or tinatawagan niya si Ram. Minsan normal call lang, minsan naman video call. Pero okay lang siya guys. Medyo bothered pa rin sa kanyang kamay dahil nga na-injured siya tapos hindi niya masyadong mataas, diba, yung kamay niya. Pero other than that, she's doing well. And ayun, minsan kachat din ni Ryan si Tanya, si Tanvi. Depende lang din kung sino yung may time kasi medyo iba din yung timings natin dito sa Pilipinas sa India, diba? Mas late tayo. So, pag nagkakasame lang yung vacant time, nakakapag-video call kami. Tapos minsan, sila Maui din yung ka-video call namin mas iba naman yung timing nila kasi nga nasa US. So, alam niyo yun, kumustahan. Mas madali namang makipag-communicate sa panahon ngayon, guys, kasi nga may video call na. So, ayun, okay ang ating family sa India, okay din ang ating family sa US, guys. Hindi na kami masyadong nakakapunta kina mama. Hopefully, one weekend makapunta kami doon or sila makabisita dito sa bahay kasi namimiss na rin namin sila, na makasama sila. Hindi na gaya dati na masyado tayong maraming oras magliwaliw, di ba? Ngayon, most of the time, nasa trabaho ako, si Ryan nasa school, yun nga. This life changes happens for a reason, so let's take it positively. Yun lang, guys. I'm gonna close the vlog na maraming salamat sa panonood at sa support niyo sa aming pamilya. Bye! Good night!